What better thing to do while you're at the Tampa show than to drive one of these beasts? The big show's correct that they can do this.
Only Hershey and Tampa.
Gary Yeoman.
How are you doing?
Do you think you could take me over to give me a test drive for my very first drive of a Super Z?
We'd love to do it.
Hi, Gail. My name is Joni. Nice to meet you. I have never driven. I've only driven a Class A before, and it was very brief, so I've really never driven anything. Here it is, guys. We're going through this Nexus, and we're going to be driving it, and I just caught wind. They're taking me on the highway on top of it. You can see the highway right behind me. It is packed, it is busy. I'm already a little intimidated about the traffic here in Tampa. So I guess I'm just gonna have to buckle down and get through it. This is a little intimidating.
That's all I care about.
We do have insurance, right?
Yep.
I'm buckled in. I've arranged this huge steering wheel.
Yep.
And what kind of things do I need to keep in mind? What do I need to kind of do?
Yep. First and foremost, obviously, if you want to check your mirrors there, on your left-hand side, if you push the very top button there, will adjust your left mirror.
Okay.
One more up in front.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Make sure that'll turn on a light, and then you can adjust it with your arrows down below there.
Okay, so I do want to see, if I'm sitting back, I want to see a little bit of that camper edge.
Correct.
And then, okay, that's
okay. The nice part about, especially in our units, under 34 foot, there's really no blind spot. You can see with both those mirrors there. And then you're going to see when we start driving, your turn signals will also activate side view cameras that pop up there.
Okay.
Yep.
So this one, I feel like I see a little bit of awning, but I don't see anything else with the camper.
Yep. Good.
I see the arm of the awning.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, now that your mirrors are set, the next operationally up front here. So this is an air brake. This is an air brake unit, right? So
yes.
Right now we will pull to apply and then we'll push to release it. So when you push to release, I'll just walk you through it before you do it. You just put your foot down on the brake, push it in, and release it. Okay. Here is your drivetrain. This is controls your transmission here. So you'll go from neutral to drive. When we go to park it, there's no park, there's no P,
yeah,
right?
I see that, no P.
So you just put it in neutral, and then you will pull to engage your parking brake. Okay. That'll be the park.
Okay.
Yep, and then you'll see when you're driving, if you want to do it right now, Joni, if you hit your left turn signal,
hold on.
You'll see your blind spot will also pop up there in the side view camera. And then if you turn to, we're going to make a right turn, the right side will pop up.
Okay, that is a really big turn signal. But you can still reach it from the steering wheel. Okay.
So right now you look at it, you really have no blind spots in this unit up front.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's the great part about this chassis, right? Especially the Super C. It's not like a Class A where your tires are back behind you. So it's a little bit different turn radius, right? Also the safety of it.
Okay.
Not jinxing us, but say you hit something, right? You have nothing in front of you in that Class A.
That's true.
The great part about the Super Cs is you still have your engine block in front of you. You think about who drive these on a daily basis. Besides RVers, this chassis is used for schools.
Oh, yeah.
It's school buses, right?
Yeah, I was thinking truckers, semi-trucks.
Yeah, no, the majority is school bus drivers. So if you look, that's why they have the nice snub nose. You can still see over the front end of your unit.
Yeah, I do like that. You can still see the, now I feel a little short, I can't really see it unless I really sit up, but.
Yep.
Okay.
Do you want to go up? So these are all air mechanism seats here.
Oh,
you can raise your seat up.
On the other side?
Yep, it'll be on your left side.
Going up? I feel like I'm at a hair salon. The big show's correct that they can do this.
Only Hershey and Tampa.
I want you to turn tight all the way as hard as you can to the left or right. You're going to be amazed at the turning radius. You can turn this around like a pickup truck.
Yep.
And what Nexus line is this? So I don't
This is our Wraith.
This is our Wraith.
Yep.
Okay. Now, does this have four-wheel drive?
It does not.
Okay.
Nope.
So I'm going to go really sharp for pump.
Yep. And the biggest is the brakes. So I want you to test the brakes here, Joni. They are touching since you're in air brake, but you see you get instant braking with that mechanism. Okay. It's not like a hydraulic where you got to really press down on that brake thing.
Well, this does have really
turn really tight for as big as it is.
We turn around here.
That's what's cool about the Wraith product. It's we build it on a 238 wheelbase. This is the only Freightliner you can get in this wheelbase size.
Okay. I like how big this steering wheel is. I feel like it's like the right balance of how big this is to the steering wheel.
Yep.
Okay. Not as bad as that car rental we got. Nice, because I feel like I do see everything. Like This is a little intimidating to think you guys are going to take me out on the highway and I got to be in all that stuff out there.
We do have a lot of traffic down
I'm
here.
looking at the traffic out there. I'm not so sure it would be a good idea, but we're just going to sit.
Yeah, that's okay.
So just keep driving in here,
You want to play around in here,
That's fine. So these have air ride seats,
correct,
air brakes,
and rear airbags.
rear. Okay. So that's why I'm not hearing a lot of banging and clanging back there. Okay. Because I notice some people when they're filming and I listen to their audio, I hear things rattling.
Yep, it's one of the big changes we did about 3 years ago now on the Wraith is we put it on the S2 Freightliner chassis. That allowed us to now have air brakes, air ride seats, and rear air suspension. In the past, it was on the International chassis, MB Light chassis. It was a leaf spring coach.
Would you like to drive it while we're here? All right, I'm giving up my driving privileges.
It does, yeah.
So while Mike and Gary are up front, I want to give you guys this. I mentioned earlier about how quiet this thing is. And, you know, we're going pretty, what do you think, like 30, 40 mile an hour out here, Mike?
Right now.
Well, but we get to rocking this thing. And it's so quiet. I figured we'd be hearing like microwave banging and the blinds banging and stuff like that. This is really nice. Wow, what an incredible experience. I would encourage all of you to take the leap, especially the women that are out there afraid to drive these things. Take the leap, sign up for a test drive, come to the Florida show, go to the Hershey show, and experience one of these. Guys, I did it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited that I took the leap and did that, and it really can remove a lot of that fear out of you, that anxiety out of you, just to go out and do that test drive like that. And knowing I had two professional drivers there with me, coaching me through how to do it. So thank you, Gary. Thank you, Bob. We really appreciate you guys.